Okay, so in 25 seconds, oh, there's Mahad. What's up? You missed the warm-up, but don't worry, you can still join if you're quick about it. We're just gonna get into the tutorial. If you want, I have the warm-up on my YouTube channel. You can just type in Hero Bells on YouTube and you can find the warm-up there. It's the exact same warm-up. You can just go through some of it, maybe just the first lunge sequence. And then we're gonna get started with the tutorial here. Basic movements today. One's semi-complicated, but it's actually not so bad. So for the first move that we're going to do today in our 3-move sequence of our kettlebell blitz, the first move is going to be a 2-hand lunge with a twist. We've done this before. It's a lot of fun. And basically we're gonna get the kettlebell or weight, whichever one you have, whatever weight you have, we're gonna get it to the chest, just like this. And then we're going to lunge back, come back up, and then turn on the foot that you put back. So if I'm putting my right foot back like this, bringing it up and turning and pressing it up overhead, just like that. So this works the abdominals and the legs, but the abdominals in a twisting motion. We need more twists in our life. So we're gonna do it again on the other side. This is what it looks like. Breathing in. That's it, okay? So that's the first move. You should practice that now. Take the next 15 seconds, just practice it. Do a couple lunges on each side. Twist, remember that one foot is turning, that comes up, and the other foot is stationary. So if you're twisting to the left foot stays still, doesn't move. The right foot's the one that the heel comes up. So like this. Maybe you only have a water bottle, that's usable. So try that out. Okay, so the next move is called the kettlebell swing. We've taught this before. Maybe you have a gym bag. If you have a gym bag or a backpack or something like that, throw some heavy objects in it and you could swing it. You'll be able to figure this out. So I'm gonna demonstrate it with the kettlebell. What I'm gonna do is take my toes up to my kettlebell and put my other foot right behind it. Then I'm going to bring my foot back and spread my feet apart. So now I have an equilateral triangle between my feet and the kettlebell. I'm going to get down into what's called the gorilla position or a squat. And then I'm going to hike this back so that my wrists go towards my zipper. And then I'm going to straighten my legs and bring the kettlebell out. It'll look like this. Now, when I'm bringing the kettlebell back, I'm only bending just a little bit from the hips, or a lot from the hips, and a little bit from the knees. Every time the kettlebell comes up, I breathe out. Every time the kettlebell comes down, I breathe into the belly. So practice that now. Take a moment and just practice. Set up with the equilateral triangle from you and the object you're going to swing. You're going to squat down to the gorilla position, meaning that the butt is lower than the shoulders. Keep the abs nice and strong. Pull the weight back and straighten the legs. And then the bell comes back down. You just bend the legs a little bit and return the weight safely, the exact same way you got it. Okay, so that's the second move. The third move is going to be also geared towards the abdominals. We're going to get into the plank position. Just one sec. And this is called a reach through. We're gonna get into the plank position and we're gonna have the kettlebell just in line with just above our abdominals. And we're gonna have it at the side of our plank, get our feet as wide as our shoulders, and then what we're gonna do is shift our weight to our right hand, gripping the ground, and bring the weight over to the left side. And just bring it back and forth. Flexing the legs. That's all it is. So the whole goal for this is to go back and forth, keeping a nice strong plank. So it'll look like this from the side. The further away you bring the bell from the body, and the lower you bring the bell over underneath the abdominals, the more of a workout in the abdominals you'll get. That's the goal, so do the best that you can. So now that you know the tutorial, get yourself a quick drink of water, and I will get the timer started. And we're gonna do this workout. Remember, it is non-stop. We don't take any breaks for the next 10 minutes. Okay. I need something heavy. If you want, yeah.
I don't know but
Okay. All right, so we're gonna be ready to go shortly here. Just need to quickly grab some weights. Right, so we're gonna get ready to go here in 10 seconds. We're gonna start rocking. Okay, 10 seconds on the clock. First move is the back lunge, 2-hand twist. Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, lunge back, come up and twist, and opposite leg. Working with Bambi legs today myself. Let's go. Keep the abs nice and strong. Good. Next is going to be swings. Remember, equilateral triangle between the bell or your weight and your feet. Let's go. Don't let the weight just fall, pull it back down. Good. Next is the reach through. Get into the plank position. Start with the bell under, in line with the abdominal cavity. Feet nice and wide, and pull it across. As wide as possible. Stay strong through the shoulders. Good. Next is 2-hand lunge twist. Kettlebell up to the goblet position. Let's go. Make sure you get your footing before you lunge back. Be smooth, not fast. Smooth is fast. Good. Next, your swings. Equilateral triangle from the bell to your feet. Get down to the gorilla position. Pull it back and back down. Good. Next, reach through, plank position. Let's go nice and wide with the feet, nice and wide with the bell. Stay nice and strong, control your hips. next, two-hand lunge, twist, kettlebell up to the goblet position. Stay smooth. Good. Swings. Equilateral triangle. Get down to that gorilla position. Ab strong. Pull it back. Stick with it. Good. Reach through. Get in the plank position. Stay strong. Control your hips. Be smooth. Get the bell nice and wide, nice and low. Keep your weight forward over your hands. Just like the warm-up, when you reach through, breathe out. Good. Two-hand lunge twist. Goblet in the kettle in the goblet position. All right, let's lunge back. Smooth. Good. Swings. Equilateral triangle. Gorilla position. Let's go. Almost there. Good, reach through. Plank position. Kettlebell nice and wide. Feet wide. Control your hips. Keep the weight forward. Good. Back lunge with two-hand twist. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Good. Swings. Equilateral triangle. Gorilla position. Flat back. Strong abs. Let's go. Apparently a little more. Just bend the legs a little bit. Straighten the legs. Good. Reach through. This is the last one, so do a good job. Nice and wide, nice and low. Keep the hips straight. Control them. Stay strong through the shoulders. You got it. Stick with it. We're almost there. That's it. Good job.